Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal money to your card. First, you must have a valid debit card securely linked to your PayPal account. This is a crucial initial step, as credit cards cannot directly receive funds from PayPal. Take a moment to ensure all your card details, like the card number and expiration date, are completely accurate. This preparation guarantees a smooth transfer process. Once your debit card is linked, log into your PayPal account. You can use either a computer or the mobile application. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option, typically found on your dashboard or wallet section. Before proceeding, verify your available PayPal balance displayed on the screen, ensuring you have enough funds for your intended transfer. Now, from the available options, select your linked debit card as the destination for these funds. It is very important to carefully verify the last 4 digits of the card number shown. Double-checking this detail prevents any accidental transfers to an incorrect account, ensuring your money goes exactly where you intend it to. Next, specify the precise amount of money you wish to transfer from your PayPal balance to your debit card. Carefully review all the transaction details presented on the screen, including the transfer amount and the chosen debit card. Some transfers might incur a small fee, which will be clearly displayed here, so always double-check everything before moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.